Welcome to the T-Stack Assembly Guide. Let's assemble and stack your T-Stack device and rollable cart. Part 1. Attaching the bottom T-Stack. Take the 4 standoff screws provided and securely screw onto the device. Attach the metal plate to the bottom of your T-Stack device. Use machine screws to secure the plate to the standoffs. Ensure the beveled holes are facing away from the T-Stack. Pull down on the knob of the cart. Slide plate into the polymat. Release the knob to lock in place. Part 2. Prepare top T-Stack. Align the second metal plate using the 4 flat screws provided. Make sure the plate is firmly secured. Part 3. Combining T-Stacks. Attach bracket around the bottom T-Stack handle. Gently place the second device atop the first, aligning the feet. Wait for the click. Ensure both devices are firmly secured to the cart.